I was asked a question, so I'm going to give a simple answer to something. Move the camera over. 8 and 8. 1 and 7 became 8. 2 and 6 became 8. 1 times 7, what plus 7 is 87. This represents the Queen and October and the gateway. Why is 7 the gateway? Because 6 is inside both of them. This is on one side, 6 is on the other side. 6 is the incoming, this is the divider. You divide between 8, the 7th way, between 6 and 6. This is the transmission, the letter T, which is top left to bottom right, creating the T letter. 43, we're going to add up 26 and 17. Where 26 is inside of 17, there are 5 numbers in between the 7th gate. In between 19, which equals to 10, there are 9 numbers, which equals to 8 numbers. 8 numbers plus 1 equals to 9. That means there is 7 in between. Here there is 5. 7 and 5 is between the gateway of the light. 8 and 6, 101 to the division of the light. 8 and 8 is 16, 1 and 6 is 7, 6 and 6 is 12, 1 and 2 is 3. The wings of the light, I call this the Aleph letter. 7 and 7 is 14, 1 and 4 is 5, 3 and 3 is 6. 2 and 1 now bring me to the 7th gate. We meet. This is just like 2 and 1. 5 and 5 is 10, 1 and 0 is 1, 6 and 6 is 12, 1 and 2 is 3. 11 times 11 times 11, 13, 31. To the corner and the other side, what is the center of 10? 9 and 11. What is the center of 7? 6 and 8. What is the center of 13? 2 and what is the center of 13? 3 and 5. 8. What is the center of 7? 8 and 6, 14. 5. 5 and 8. What is the center of 10? 9 and 11. 20. Center is 10. 1 and 3. 5 and 5 is 10. 0 equals 6. 6 and 1 is 7. We now come back to 7 and 3. 7 and 3 create 5 and 6, create 1 and 3, which recreate within itself 7 and 3. 7 and 1 is 8. 3 and 3 is 6. And we have the formation back together. These are the wings of rotation. Inside 8 and 7 equals 15. Inside 12 and 8, 20, 15. 17 and 26, the DC worlds. Earth and Mars, the only 2 planets that do not have the letter U. 80, 4 times 20, 6 times 20 on each side of the 10. 20 and 15 is 135, says the ace cat. 6 times 20, 4 times 20, 6 and 4. Zion, Israel, 3 times 2, 2 times 2. The reality is, what's in between all this? The only numbers missing is 1 and 5. 6 and 3 is 9, 9 and 6 rotation, 1 and 4. 1 and 4 is 5, 1 and 5. 5 is the center of the totality of 4. 105, 105, 105, 105, 105, 105. They bring these two 105s over together to make 210. 210 and the upside down reverse equals to 210 is 420. This is a representation of 80. The word in French represents time and space. Time is 47, space is 44. The creation of space is through 3. 44 minus 3, 41. 44 plus 3 is 47. 7 by 4 is 28, which is the cycle between the space, which is the cycle of the moon. Where does that cycle take place? In the empty spots over here, inside the eye. 3, 4, 7, and 6. 3 and 4 and 7 and 6. 7 and 6 is what holds the letter U inside 3 and 4. 7 and 6 is Uranus inside Saturn. 420 is the total. Reverse 252 equals 1760. 1760 plus 9, 5 plus 9 plus 6. 5, 2, 2 is 9. 0 equals 6 equals 15. 1775 plus 1. It's always plus 1 because you're not in the center. You're around the center. 1 to here, 1 to here, 1 to here, 1 to here. It's always 1 away. 1 to the left, 1 to the right. 5, 4, 6. It's down below and it's above. Once you're on this floor, you're 1 away. 176 and 176 is 252. 176 and 9 equals 1769. And 6 for 0 is 1775 plus 1. Nothing is in the center. 6 and 3 is 9. 4 and 2 is 6. 9 and 6 equals to 15. Could be a Kodak minute. Remember, you have the spinal cord that comes here in the back and all the vision through the nose, the two ears. 730, 430, 1630, 2660, 2060, 2721. This equals to area space. Can't explain it any further than that, other than 17 and 26. 26 equals to 20. 0 equals 6 equals to 26. They are identical to the left side or to the right. Raphael, 7286 and a constellation of Pegasus. Just going through what they've already given us. I'm not done, but I do know when I put these glasses down, some of these letters no longer show up. This is a very dark green glass. These letters in red will not show up. Raphael, 7286 and a constellation of Pegasus. Did I make any sense at all? And if I didn't, it wouldn't make sometimes the greatest difference. And the reality of the truth is coming in this year. And you will awaken to your own truth. It does not need me. I am only here to awaken you to the reality that within numbers, it gives you direction. Now, some videos I can help, and some videos I can help, and some of them you can't understand, but I'm still helping. Because within the reality and time is what brings in the divine of the understanding of the difference of what you do know and what you don't understand. And the reality is all in the truth to know that we come with the reality of the reality. Now, what does that mean? May as well get off, right? Thank you for watching this video.